Sofia runs a thriving fashion store in London. She's been receiving a flood of inquiries from customers about bamboo clothes. Sofia decides to do some research and is amazed by what she discovers. The bamboo garment industry is projected to reach a staggering $3 billion by 2032, up from $1.3 billion today. The potential is immense. Sofia reaches out to her friend Suzy, who promptly recommends NoName, an expert in bamboo garment manufacturing in India. Intrigued, Sofia takes Suzy's advice and contacts them. NoName offers her a unique opportunity for free virtual sampling, which lets her see the qualities of bamboo and some styles. She hires a talented designer, collaborating closely with NoName to create a final sample based on her vision. Impressed, Sofia orders 15 unique designs. NoName's flexible minimum order quantities make it possible. Within 30 days. After quality control inspection, Sofia receives the goods within 7 days. Her customers love the fashionable, sustainable bamboo collection. We also offer garments in hemp, organic cotton and linen, as well as recycled polyester and other sustainable materials. Contact us today if you are looking for a factory to help you create a fashion future that is both sustainable and stylish. Looking forward to be your success partners.